What's going on, Beard Channel? Howdy, how's it going? Is this the best beard balm of 23? Let's find out. But first, hit that subscribe button because once we hit 50 subscribers, you know the contest for the free beard kit will get underway. After 2 weeks, a random drawing will be held and one of you lucky contestants will be the winner. So hit that subscribe button. While you're at it, give me a thumbs up, ring the bell, because you don't want to miss any other little episodes we have here. Stick around. We're going to check out if this is the best beard balm of 23. Or maybe it's not, I don't know. King C. Gillette. King C. Gillette beard balm here. Soft beard balm conditioning with cocoa butter. So far so good. Let's take a look what it looks like here, because there's many different types of beard balms and there's different consistencies, and I'll show you another one here in a second. This one. See if we can get it focused there. It's kind of like a white goop. You see that there? But it smells really good. It smells a lot like a barbershop. I think they did that on purpose. But that smell is very masculine and very barbershop. Okay. All right, now, and here's you can see the lid. Comes in a nice container, and you're getting a fair amount here. 3.4 fluid ounces of beard balm. Okay, there's definitely other beard balms out there that are, not as for fulfilling, we should say. They don't give you as much. Some come in tiny little pucks, sometimes little tins and things like that. For a budget beard balm, okay, this is actually really, really good. Now, I picked this up at Walmart. So what I'm going to go ahead and do for you guys, so I'm going to put this on my Amazon affiliate. I believe it's on Amazon as well. I'll put that in my affiliate page in the description. So keep your eye out for this. This is really, really good. And I'll go ahead and show you how I apply it in just a second. There is another beard balm we're going to review down the road here. It's another one that I got. It was more of a budget one where I bought it. So I'll reveal where I bought this budget beard balm, or should I say beard balm at a budget location, in another video. But this one is the 1821. Yeah, 1821 beard balm. You're getting 2 ounces here. Again, you get quite a bit more in this one. Okay, but here you go. A little upside down there. A little side-by-side action. Oh, there we go. And we're all upside down today. We're all confused. All right, there we go. 1, 2. Okay. So remember the consistency of this one, how it was a little, like a globby little whoopity-doop, whatever you want to call it. Okay, then it smells great, of course. This one, however, comes with a nice little safety lid there. It's a little yellow, a little thicker. You can see I've used this a few times. I like it. So I'll put this one in my Amazon affiliate as well. Okay, this one I can tell you is a much more harder, thicker, if you can hear that, consistency. Whereas if I do that to the other one, my finger's going to go right through it. And it's going to go through. Now, different ways I apply different beard balms. Okay, thicker beard balms I tend to rub in my fingers and real tight and just kind of scroll it down through the beard. This stuff, I found the easiest way for me to use this. Just open that, pop the lid there, a couple fingers, just get a little bit like that. That's all you need. And maybe not even. To put a little back, because you get quite a lot with this. Clean it up. Put it on the 2 fingers. Still do rub it in the hand a little bit. It's almost like a conditioner when you put it in. And then I rub it through everywhere on the beard. Like that. Just making sure you get every little spot going there. And it smells so good. I don't think there's any beeswax or anything like that. I've just been, putting them on the top of my head too, because it smells great. And I just work it down there. Okay, and it even helps you pull your mustache out a little bit. You can see that there. Okay, King C Gillette. Now they do beard like other beard things too. They do the beard oil, and I think they have a wash and a conditioner and stuff like that. So yeah, get yourself some of this stuff here. The old King C Gillette. Let me screw this back on. There you go. And again, I'm gonna put that link in the affiliate page. And really, I used this earlier and for the first time, and today I just applied a little more, but it's good. It softens, it does the trick. I can't complain. And again, like I said, I'm like a broken record, but it's gonna be in the descriptions for the Amazon affiliates page, so you can pick it up on Amazon. I'll even throw this one, the 1821. We'll put that in there as well. Yeah, okay. We'll throw that in there. Down on the link. Also, on there, I'll put other products that we've reviewed, other products that I like to use that I found on Amazon as well. Now, that being said, don't forget, of course, to subscribe to the channel. After the 50 subscribers, of course, I said, earlier, contest is for 2 weeks. Random winner, get a free beard kit. You can't go wrong with a free beard kit. Everybody likes the free beard kit. That being said, of course, as always, don't shave your beard.